Some wild animals have a threatened and protected status, which brings about the development of projects and implementation actions to preserve them in order to prevent their status from changing to extinct species. In France, Hermann's tortoise is one of them. That's how the Hermann's Tortoise European Life Project is born. It involves many partners, 1 coordinating structure, 5 technical partners, and 4 financial partners. Hermann's tortoise is an emblematic and patrimonial species of the south of France and Corsica. It needs sun to activate its metabolism that depends on external temperature. We're talking about thermoregulation. It must have open areas of vegetation around, plots or clearings to warm up in the sun, but also bushes or other groves to shelter for the night or to hibernate during winter when it has reached its optimal temperature. So, its ideal environment is made of heterogeneous patchworks, enabling the tortoise to accomplish its life cycle daily and annually. The 3 main goals of the Life Project are ensuring the preservation of Hermann's tortoises population in the Var, changing perceptions and behaviors that are harmful for the species or its environment, experimenting and evaluating the applications of environmental management that are beneficial for the tortoise. By protecting its suitable habitats and improving its environment, we also protect species that are linked to Hermann's tortoise and its close environment. Indeed, the environment of the Hermann's tortoise has continually declined in favor of road infrastructures, urbanization, intensive agriculture, or commercial areas. Other threats hover: forest fires, predation by unleashed dogs, or mechanization of agricultural or forest works. And while some forget that there are Hermann's tortoises on their land, others forget that they're wild and protected by law. The sale and possession of tortoises captured in the wild is prohibited. Also, releasing tortoises from captivity brings diseases in wild populations, then weakened. The Life Program Actions enables the improvement and restoration of the Hermann's tortoise's environment, with openings and optimization of patchworks on hundreds of hectares, creating and enforcing several hundred meters of hedge, exclosures, water points, contracts, and assistance to cattle breeders for the maintenance of intervention areas by pasture. These actions have been evaluated by scientists to validate their relevance and effectiveness, so as to be shared and transposed on other territories with similar management issues. Other actions target detrimental behaviors for the species, with a reinforced watch on sites, organization of operations, possession control, or illegal traffic, in particular on the internet. Communication and consciousness raising for Hermann's tortoise conservation issues has had an important role, on the one hand, with planners and institutional actors to take better into account the Hermann's tortoise in territorial management projects. On the other hand, with the general public using many tools, website, exhibitions, brochures, school activities, regional and national press, public meetings, film. Each of us can contribute every day to the Hermann's tortoise survival. More than ever, the future of this wild Corsican and southern France relict population is in our hands.